severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County, southeastern Tippecanoe County, western Clinton County, western Hendricks County, western Boone County, Montgomery County, central Putnam County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crawfordsville to near Brazil, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include North Salem, Pittsboro, Carpentersville, Liston, Ulen, Fillmore, Darlington, Latiga, Bainbridge, Rochdale, Colfax, Amo, Advance, Thorntown, Coatesville, Crawfordsville, Groveland, Danville, Lebanon, and Jamestown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 138 and 162. Interstate 70 between mile markers 33 and 34. Interstate 74 between mile markers 32 and 62. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for West Central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Carroll, Clinton, Hendricks, Montgomery, Putnam. National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County, southeastern Tippecanoe County, 32 and 62. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles